Okay, we can close any open workbooks, and then we need to open XLX Working 4. And let's right click on any toolbar, and we want to select Visual Basic. Let's bring up that toolbar. Now click on the Record Macro button, and let's give the macro a name of Increase Sales. And then click OK. And now click in B6 and type 65 million. Let's move the toolbar out of the way and type in 65 million and press enter. And now click the Stop Recording button on the Record Macro toolbar. Now click in B6 and type 60 million and press enter. And now click the Run Macro button on the Visual Basic toolbar, and Increase Sales is selected. If not, select it and click the Run button. Okay, now click in B6 again, and let's change it to 63 million and press enter. Now click the Run Macro button and select Increase Sales and click the Step Into button. Now press the F8 key, which will step through the macro one step at a time. And let's click the click Excel on the taskbar, and let's click the Visual Basic Editor button to go back to Visual Basic. Press F8 again, and let's click the Microsoft Excel button. And now back to Visual Basic by clicking the Visual Basic Editor button and F8 again, and let's click the Microsoft Excel button. Okay, now let's go back to the Visual Basic Editor and F8 once more to finish. And let's go to the File menu and click the Close and Return to Microsoft Excel button. Now click the Run Macro button and let's click Edit. And now select the words ActiveCell.Formula R1C1 and click the Copy button. And now select the 65 million, including the inverts, and click the Paste button, and then add plus 1 million, and then press the down arrow key. And then click the View Microsoft Excel button, and let's click the Run Macro button and run. Now click the Run Macro button again and click Edit, and select the Range B6 select line and press the Delete key, and the Range B7 select line and press the Delete key. Now click the View Microsoft Excel button, and let's select B10 and click the Run button and run, and it works on that cell now. Now click the Run Macro button and Options and press Shift I and OK. And now the cancel. Now select B10 and press Ctrl Shift I. Hey, it works. And now we can save that.